Two times 3 plus 4. We all know how to do this. Simple high school mathematics, right? 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 4 is 8. And what is 6 plus 8? 6 plus 8 is 14. This is how we do. And this we call it as distributive property. We all know how to do sums using distributive property, but do you know how does this work? Or why does this work? Before that, let's try to understand the meaning of multiplication. For example, if I have 3 centimeter by 2 centimeter rectangle, what is 3 into 2? 3 into 2 is 6 centimeter square. So the product of two numbers represents the area of rectangle if those two numbers are length and breadth of the rectangle. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 represents the area of rectangle when length and breadth of rectangles are 3 centimeters and 2 centimeters. That is 3 into 2 is 6. Let's come back to the problem that we were discussing. 2 times 3 plus 4. I can do it in two different ways. One is using distributive property, that is 2 into 3 6, 2 into 4 8, 6 plus 8 is 14. This is one way using distributive property. The other way of doing this is using Bodmer's rule. That is, we will solve the things inside the bracket first. That is, 3 plus 4 is 7, and we will multiply 7 by the number outside the brackets. That is 2 into 7, that is 14. So we get the same answer. So let's try to understand how exactly distributive property works using simple diagrams. Let's say there are two rectangles whose dimensions are 3 by 2 and 4 by 2. So what is area of this rectangle? 3 into 2, that is 6. What is area of this rectangle? 4 into 2, that is 8. So imagine that I have joined these two rectangles and I have got total length of 3 plus 4, that is nothing but 7 centimeters. So if I add their areas, which is nothing but 6 and 8 totally, but this area of rectangle is sum of areas of these two rectangles, isn't it? So let me write it in this way. Length into breadth, area of this rectangle, that is 2 times 3 plus 4 is same as sum of areas of these two rectangles, that is 2 into 3 plus 2 into 4, 2 into 4. But what is 2 into 3? That is 6. What is 2 into 4? That's 8, and the total area is 14. So in general, if we have A times B plus C, we can write it as A into B plus A into C. So in general, for any real numbers A, B, C, A times B plus C equals AB plus AC. And this is called as distributive property. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share.